Have you ever felt confused by the different environments in R? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the world of function environments in R, specifically looking at the SD function and its enclosing environment. I understand how tricky it can be to grasp the concept of environments in R. Many users struggle with this, especially when it comes to understanding how functions interact with their environments. You're definitely in good company. Let's take a closer look at the specific questions being asked. One user wants to know if the namespace stats points to the enclosing environment of the SD function. They also ask if package stats refers to the binding environment of SD. Sound familiar? Let's explore these questions together. To understand this, we need to clarify what we mean by enclosing and binding environments. The enclosing environment is where the function was created, while the binding environment is where the function looks for its variables. This distinction is crucial for understanding how R functions operate. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that will help you manage environments in R more effectively. To address the user's first question, yes, the enclosing environment of a function can be changed. This means that the user can assign a new environment to a function, as demonstrated in the example provided. For the second question, the user is asking about the two different environments related to the stats package. The first environment, namespace stats, refers to the enclosing environment of the function, while package stats indicates the binding environment. Lastly, regarding the user's question about the function's environment, it indeed indicates the environment in which the function is executed. This environment is crucial for variable scoping and function behavior. Fun fact: did you know that R was originally created by statisticians? It's no wonder it has such a strong focus on data analysis and environments. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the environment function retrieves a function's enclosing environment, which is linked to where the function was defined. This concept is known as lexical scoping, allowing for patterns like factory functions. They provide an example of a factory function that creates a new environment each time it's called, enabling separate instances of the add function to maintain their own state. Additionally, they mention that the assign function can modify variables in the enclosing environment. When the factory function is called again, a new environment is created, allowing for independent instances of the add function. Finally, they discuss how R handles variable passing through promises, which are evaluated in the calling environment when needed. This behavior can lead to different outcomes based on when the promise is evaluated. Here's that powerful tip I promised. Always be aware of your function's environments when debugging. Understanding where your variables are coming from can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You now have a clearer understanding of function environments in R. Remember, mastering these concepts will make your coding experience much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips.